Welcome guys to Tutorial Info channel. In front of me is TCL 40R 5G, and in this video I am going to show you how to unblock number on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our contacts app, where we have to click on the three dots in the right top corner, and then we have to open settings. Here we have to head to blocked numbers. As you can see, I don't have any blocked numbers, so I'm going to quickly block one. And to unblock this number, all we have to do is just click on this icon on the right and then click unblock. And that's how you unblock number. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!